Good afternoon, student. Today we revise lesson of functions and charts in Calc. Let's see. This is the mind map. Using this mind map, we revise each and every point. First point is the functions and charts in Calc. You know that functions are a predefined set of name formulas already available in spreadsheet software. Next, function in OpenOffice Calc. In this lesson, you have learned four functions in Calc: mathematical function, text functions, date and time functions, and logical functions. First, we see mathematical functions. Mathematical functions in Calc are used to perform common mathematical calculations, including basic arithmetic, conditional sums and products, logarithms and trigonometric ratio. First mathematical function is a round. These functions rounds a number to the specified number of digits. Syntax: round number semicolon count. Example: round 56.6666666667 semicolon 2. It will return the value 56.67. Next, second mathematical function is LCM. These functions find the least common multiple of given number. Syntax: LCM integer 1 semicolon integer 2 semicolon and so on. Example: LCM 24 semicolon 3 semicolon 3. It will return 24. GCD: these functions find the greatest common divisor of given number. Syntax is GCD integer 1 semicolon integer 2 semicolon and so on. Example: GCD 24 semicolon 3. It will return 3. Next function is a text function or textual function. Text functions in a spreadsheet are used to perform various text operations like converting text to uppercase or lowercase, calculating the number of text characters, and so on. First text function is upper. This function converts text to uppercase letters. Syntax: upper text. Example: upper double inverted comma in small Nikhil. It will return capital Nikhil. Second text function, lower. This function converts text into lowercase letters. It's opposite to upper functions. Syntax: lower text. Example: lower double inverted comma Nikhil returns all letters in a small letters. It will convert in a all letters in a small letters. Len function. These functions find the number of characters in text. Syntax: len text. Len double inverted comma science returns 7. Next, date and time function. Date and time functions. Date. These functions display the enter day, month and year in the mm/dd/yy date format. Syntax: date, year, semicolon month, semicolon day. Example: date 1990 semicolon 3 semicolon 26, it will returns 3 slash 26 slash 90 time. This function convert the entered hours, minutes and seconds in 24-hour format. Syntax: time, hour, semicolon, minute, semicolon, second. Example: time 5 semicolon 30 semicolon 22. It will returns 5 colon 30 colon 22 am. Today, this function display the current date. Today returns the current system date in the MMDD YYY format. For example, 9 slash 20 slash 219. Next, logical functions. What is the logical functions? Logical functions are used to carry out comparison in your formulas or text multiple conditions. They return either true or false. For example, if statement, if functions, if else functions. Next point, cell referencing. See the next point, cell referencing. In this cell referencing, there are three types of reference. First one is the relative reference. Second one is the absolute reference. Third one is the mixed reference. Let's see first reference, relative reference. Cell reference. Cell referencing is the format used for addressing a particular cell in a formula or a function. Relative reference. A relative cell reference is a location-based cell reference. Calci calculates a cell's locations with respect to the location of the formula containing cell. For example, consider a formula is equal to C2 plus D2 plus E2 plus F2 plus G2 that is written in H2. If this formula is copied in H3, then the formula will change to is equal to C3 plus T3 plus E3 plus G3. Next one is the absolute reference. Absolute reference, while using absolute cell referencing, the cell reference used in a formula stays the same when you copy or move the formula to any other cell. Absolute cell referencing is done by typing a dollar sign in front of the row and column. Next, mixed reference. Mixed reference consists of an absolute column and a relative row is equal to $B1 plus $C1, or an absolute row and a relative column is equal to B $1 plus C $1. When the formula is copied, the relative reference changes, but the absolute reference does not change. Next point is the error in Calci. Errors. Sometimes you may get unusual or unintended results when you use a formula or function in OpenOffice Calci. First, hash error. It occurs when data in the cell is longer than the width of the cell. Hash name question mark. It occurs when there is an error in the formula or range or name. Hash reference. This is shown when a formula refers to a cell that is not valid. Hash value. This occurs when a formula has the wrong type of argument. Hash division, it occurs when a formula tries to divide a number by 0 or an empty cell. This is the errors in OpenOffice Calc. Now, let's see. Next point is the features of Calc. First one is the sorting data. Second one is the filtering data. Third one is the conditional formatting. First, sorting data. Data entered in a worksheet is often unorganized. Data analysis requires data to be rearranged in a different way to answer different questions. For example, ascending order or descending order. Next, filtering data. Filter is a feature to quickly extract data from the spreadsheet that meets certain criteria. Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting, OpenOffice Calc allows us to make the worksheet more interesting by highlighting the data based on certain conditions using the conditional formatting tool. Next, charts. How to make a chart in OpenOffice Calc. Let's see. First chart, the column chart. Column chart, use it for data that may need to be compared. See, this is the downside. Seema, Ria, Rohan, Disha, Ina, Aisha. This is the x-axis at 0, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000. It is the y-axis. Next one is the line chart. Line chart use it to illustrate changes in a value over a period of time. These types of chart you have been seeing in a cricket match mostly. Next, pie chart. Use it to show breakdown of data in terms of proportions so as to display the contribution of each value to a total. For example, this pie chart have a 100% place. That 100% place we distribute in a different percentage: 20%, 20%, 10%, 10%, 40%. This all types of data: Android phone, Apple phone, BlackBerry phone, Windows, others, all types of data divided in a percentage. In this way, we complete the 100%. Next chart is a bar chart. Use it to compare individual items in a data set. In this way, we revise the whole lesson. Thank you.